evening, everyone. Welcome to this one-of-a-kind get-together for the batch of 2020. This event, as you know, has been divided into three phases, A, B, and C. I am Vinita Dwivedi. I'm a faculty in the area of communication at SPJIMR, and I will be a host in phases A and C this evening. The year 2020 will go down in the history of mankind as the year which changed the world forever. We witnessed a phenomenon which happens perhaps once in a millennium, the COVID pandemic. It brought unprecedented upheaval in our lives, and one of them was the cancellation of Convocation 2020. You know, the entire planning was done for 17th April 2020, which also happens to be our Institute Day, but it could not happen then. But we meet today to celebrate the success of our 644 graduates who unfortunately could not have their planned ceremony last year due to sudden lockdown. Better late than never. Here we are coming together on a breezy Saturday evening to reminisce and celebrate your achievements and relive some of the happy times again. So let us begin by taking you back to the campus, briefly, virtually.
Share, we teach, we care, igniting minds beyond 45 acres of life. We learn, we share, we teach, we care, igniting minds beyond 45 acres of life. Cause I'm SPJIMR, SPJIMR. अंधेरी और चर्चगेट के बीच लम्हे और यादें हजार, मेरी यहाँ पे दोस्ती, नौकरी और प्यार. Who I am is by what I do. I'm individual, but together we sing. Dreams I chase, I run my own race. One day it reaches wide and far. SPJIMR, 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 SPJIMR.
Hope you enjoyed that. And that song that you just heard was sung by one of our alums, Debajyoti Biswas, from the batch of 2016. And as you can see, I'm back at the campus to an empty classroom. We are missing you. But I have with me Dr. Renuka Kamath. So let's start the program by listening to her, one of the most popular and well-regarded faculty at SPJIMR. She, as you know, is a professor in marketing area and associate dean, academic services and external relations. Dr. Kamath, I invite you to address the gathering.
Thank you so much, Vinita. That was really nice to see the campus in its full glory. So dear colleagues, Mr. Rajesh Jejurikar, Executive Director at Mahindra & Mahindra, and the class of 2020 with your families and friends. When I knew I was going to speak today, it was memories and nostalgia for me. And this for two reasons. Both that many of you I have met and taught, and secondly, for the longing to go back to campus. You were, after all, the last completed batches we all met before COVID hit us. I was also wondering all along what would be going through your minds now and how you all were doing. More than a year has passed since you said your goodbyes here at SP. We were hopeful then that we could have an in-person convocation. It was our earnest hope that within a few months, things would meander towards normalcy and we'd meet. But that was unfortunately not to be. As time went by, since we wanted to ensure that your certificates were ready and could be submitted with your organizations, our staff worked relentlessly observing all COVID protocols to ensure that the certificates were sent to you without further delays. Meanwhile, the second wave hit all of us, and it was apparent that an in-person meeting wasn't a possibility. But as promised, we wanted to meet you all one last time as the class of 2020, and here we are. We know you were upset that the institute suddenly closed and went online. The institute seemed distant to you, that you couldn't come back or stroll into campus anytime you wanted, that some of you were requested to vacate rooms, that you couldn't meet each other and faculty. But then, hey, look at the positives. During your time and journey with us, you've met all your teachers and staff members. If you are a PGDM or PGPM or PGMPW graduate, your placements were offline and you could meet your recruiters face-to-face. If you are a PGEMP graduate, your on-campus contacts went off smoothly. We met so many times, had cups of chai, discussed about this and that in life. Sheeluz knows you well, and you know Sheeluz well. You've seen the infrastructure growing during your time at campus. Many have gone through the bittersweet experience of rains on campus. Buildings 26, 27, 29, 25, and GH की memories. बिस्तरों का sandwich और चाय, SPC या भवंस का मिसल पाव, और executive lunch group का खाना. While you all might have cribbed then, we hope you miss it now. So all in all, there are many things to be grateful for. COVID taught all of us that, to be grateful for what you have experienced, as well as what you didn't have to experience. In all this, we haven't forgotten that one friend we lost during his time here, Shashank Pillai. Shashank, February 19, 2020 morning is forever etched in my mind. I'm sure you are in a better place now and looking down at us, giving that warm, lovely smile of yours. You will always be in our heart. So dear friends, be proud of your alma mater. The year 2020 has been a tough year, and 2021 hasn't been easy either. However, the power of SPJIMR brand has been evident to us because of the good work you all are doing in the industry and the reputation you are helping us build. Our industry connect and placements have been stronger than ever before. From across the 4 programs represented here today, you have helped us bring companies to campus for not just placements, but also for deeper engagements. We thank you. As a parting thought, let me share with you something I read, which has basis in Sufism, something that I relate to. For a minute, just for a moment, visualize and view the world as a giant cauldron where there is something brewing, a broth. You throw in an ingredient, a pleasant one, a good one. It adds to the flavor, the fragrance, the taste. And whenever you're tempted to throw in an ingredient that isn't quite right, however small a quantity, you know what it will do to the brew. You may think the quantity is small, it won't matter, but remember, there are others who might think the same. Over a period, the cauldron, your world, your planet, your family, your workplace, whatever you hold the cauldron, the broth to be, will be a reflection of what you put in it. We are sure you will hold up the values you stand for. We are sure you will hold up the values that SPJIMR stands for. On behalf of SPJIMR, your institute, I thank you, my students, my friends. Go touch the skies. Thank you very much. Over to you, Anita.
Thank you so much, Renuka. That was lovely and very touching. And I'm sure students enjoyed listening to you and looking at you after such a long time. Now, it is my great privilege to welcome and introduce you all to the special guest of the evening today. He's not just an industry stalwart, but our alum too, as well as a member of SPJIMR's Governing Council, Mr. Rajesh Jejurikar. He's the Executive Director of Mahindra & Mahindra Limited and leads the auto and farm sectors. He's associated with many award-winning product launches and campaigns over the last 3 decades. After having worked with Voltas, FCB Ulka, and Marico, he joined Mahindra in 2000 and went on to hold senior positions. He serves as a director on the board of Mahindra and Mahindra Limited, several other Mahindra companies in India, as well as overseas, and is an independent director on the global board of Aliaxis Group, Belgium. Mr. Jejurikar is a member of the World Economic Forum's Automotive and Autonomous Mobility Governance Community and of the Executive Committee of the Society of Indian Automobile Manufacturers. He was honored by Asia One magazine as the Global Indian of the Year 2020-21. Sir, welcome back to SPJIMR, and I now request you to speak to the audience now.
Good evening, all of you. It's a pleasure to be here with you. In a way, all of you are fellow mates of mine. I've been associated with SPJIMR in multiple roles over the many, many years, in fact, decades. My early association with SPJIMR, of course, as you know, was as a student. And then it has evolved to being a visiting faculty, to being a recruiter, to being a colleague of several other students who passed out of SPJIMR, and more recently, a member of the governing council. So I have seen SPJIMR through decades and years, and all in different roles with different hats. This is maybe the perfect time to reminiscence of the time and the era of SPJIMR, which many of you can't even imagine. Yes, the campus was the same. We were all in the 1984-86 batch on Bhavan's campus. But for those of you who don't know, we started off on the second floor of the chemistry building of Bhavan's College. And that's all we had. 2 classrooms, one for first year, one for second year, 1 library, 4 cabins for the core faculty, and 1 director's cabin. That's what we had. But we had the time of our life. Some of us stayed in the hostel, and I was one of them. And our hostel then was not compulsory. So maybe 20-25% of us stayed on campus in what was the SPC engineering hostel. So we've started from those days of spending time in the canteen, going out and eating at, I don't remember the names, all the names now, but it was maybe the House of Foods, Swadesh, and a place, I don't know if it's still there, called Raj, which is where we spent several evenings not being able to eat the food in the canteen mess. And I know many of you may be feeling bad about not having this convocation, but in the time that we passed out of college, we didn't even know what convocation was. There was no such concept. And we got our certificate of graduation because those were the days when it was a Mumbai University exam. And the mark sheet would come months later after we started working. And sometime in the maybe 6-9 months later, we would get a certificate of the University of Mumbai. So it was a long process, and there was nothing, like I said, about convocation. For those of you who are feeling you're missing out on the convocation, I think you should take relief from the fact that you've actually been amongst the more fortunate ones. You've gone through 2 full years on campus. Just imagine if you had a convocation but no campus life. So I really think that convocation is important in a way, but what's more important are your memories and the bonding that you have. Even so many years later, we have a 1986 batch WhatsApp group, which is continuously flooded with posts. And that's so many years later. So I believe what you really are taking away are memories, learnings, and bonds. And I'm sure as things open up, all of you will want to come back together on campus. And I can tell you as an alum, I would be very happy to join that celebration party if you would like to have it. The college has come a long, long way from the times when I was there. It's evolved into an institution of standing and repute. And to be honest, a lot of that has been built on one single factor. And that single factor has been the track record of our students. SPJIMR students have gone out consistently and outperformed in every organization they've worked in and have really and truly made a difference. And it's hence a great time to give credit to the institution, but all the faculty in the institution who have shaped us up into who we all are today. We are today a product of a certain mindset and an attitude. That mindset and attitude has been one of, it's as important, if not more, to deliver than to strategize. Strategizing will only get you so far. At the end of the day, what your organizations look for is your ability to execute, to deliver, and make things happen. And I think, out of the various people I have seen over the several decades I have worked, SPJIMR students are able to do this with a completely different mindset and approach than most others. And that's because the college has grounded all of us, has made us through various interventions very connected with reality. And this comment of mine creates the perfect segue for me to talk about some learnings and takeaways that I have, which I would like you to think about. I can't say as you get into your work life because you already are, but as you think about your future. The first thing which I would strongly believe in, coming out of my experience, is while we keep an eye on the sky, we must keep our feet on the ground. Very often we have lofty goals, audacious visions, and they're all very good. But if we don't keep our feet on the ground, we lose touch with reality. And anyone who loses touch with reality is never going to see their dreams materialize. One has to be inquisitive and have learning agility. Without learning agility, you're going to be a relic. There is nothing, as I know, because none of us know even 10% of what we need to know. Having been in so many organizations and roles, I can say today that I probably don't even know more than 10 or 15% of what my role needs me to know. I can try and learn, but I have to accept that I can only know so much. And hence, if you really want to keep your feet on the ground, you have to reach out and connect. Connect with people, connect with stakeholders, because that's where real grounding happens. And all of you have been really groomed to make that happen. The important thing is don't forget that grooming when you start working. It's going to be your most important differentiator. The second input for all of you is be decisive and fearless. Very often, the reason we aren't so is because we are scared of risks. We're scared of taking those risks. You're not going to succeed unless you take risks. And that doesn't mean you are reckless. You have to calibrate, but you have to move, you have to be firm, and you have to be decisive. Every organization expects that from you. The often used term for that is paralysis by analysis. Lots of MBAs tend to get into that because you know so much, you think you know so much, you want to analyze everything to death. It doesn't work. You have to learn out of how to use limited information that you have, make some judgments and quick calls, and get into then executing. The third takeaway and learning I would leave for you is be adaptive. People often operate in the 0-1 mode, that I'm this type of a leader or I'm that type of leader. I'm very strategic, or my role needs me to be very strategic, or my role needs me to be very execution focused. There is no 0-1 on this. There are situations when I would say as a CEO, roll up my sleeves and go into 10 levels of depth on what may be happening in one particular territory, market, segment, product group, or whatever it is. And there are times when the situation doesn't need me to do that, and I won't. So the level of detail and depth that we need versus the width is something that you will have to adapt based on the situation, based on the team you're working with, based on the market context. So be adaptive. Don't believe that I'm a this style leader or a that style leader. You have to be every style leader, but you have to be able to pick appropriately the style to use in a given situation. Those who do that well succeed. Those who don't do that well are too single-minded and unilateral. The next, the fourth input is be authentic, and being authentic doesn't mean you're rash. Being authentic is being open, transparent, true to yourself, but perfecting the art of being able to say what you have to say in the most acceptable way. Because the reason for giving feedback is you want someone to work on it. You don't want to give feedback to run the other person down. So when you're being authentic, you need to find the right way for your feedback to be worked on. This is easier said than done. And if you learn to do this, you will really, really be seen as someone who is adding value to teams. And the last thought, something which I don't think I was strong at over the youthful years of my life, is be high on empathy and humility. It's only over time that you will learn that even in the most difficult situations, you're separating some people, or having a situation which is people related. You have to take tough decisions, but there is an empathic way to do it. You may have a series of achievements behind you, but if you lose your humility, you are going to lose the respect of your team. So my 5 key messages for you all are: keep your eye on the sky, but feet on the ground. Be decisive, fearless, but be mindful of the risks. Be adaptive, seamlessly move between depth and width. Be authentic, but find the right way of sharing your inputs and feedback. And the last is the most valuable thing you can do is be empathic and you're humble. As I end this message, I would like to leave you with the thought that at the end of the day, you are the brand ambassadors of SPJIMR. As you're going out and building your own personal brands, don't forget that the brand you build is also the brand called SPJIMR. It's a responsibility all of us have shouldered, and it's a responsibility that you should shoulder. Because who we are today is because of all the effort that the faculty and the alumni have put in by building a reputation. That has made us great. I'm sure as all of you build your journeys, your careers, and your paths, you will take us from greater and greater heights. That's a responsibility that you need to carry, as all the previous alum have done that. That's our greatest differentiator, the value that our students bring to the organizations that they work in. And I'm sure you will do that. I wish all of you a very, very successful journey in your life. And like I said, my offer to party with you when you choose to do that, or when you're able to do that, still stands. So please do reach out to me if and when you want me to come in and join this celebration. I would love to be part of it. Thank you and all the best.
Thank you, Mr. Jejurikar. And we are going to hold you up on that. We are going to invite you for that party. But for tonight, we are moving the party virtually, actually. We are now moving to phase B of the get-together. And the 4 programs whose 2020 batch participants are being celebrated and felicitated today, have organized special programs for their graduates. As we can see, the program heads are already here. Dr. Peter George, Dr. Sajeev Ibrahim George, Professor Neelendra Singh Pawar, and Dr. Ashita Agarwal. Hello to all of you. You all are here. But now what we are going to do is that I will request all graduates present today to move into the Zoom rooms of their respective programs. Your program links, as you can see, will appear below your screen and are color-coded. If you get lost, your program office coordinators can be approached for help, and you can always come back in or go out in again. There will be a master of ceremony in each Zoom room, and they will take you through the program proceedings. Faculty colleagues and all of our SPJIMR staff members can join any of the programs, or they can go into multiple rooms one after the other. Your Zoom link will open into a new browser window. So this main link will remain functional but dormant for the next 40 minutes. You can minimize it, but please remember not to close it. So come back, see you soon again, and enjoy the next 40 minutes with your programs. Hello, welcome back, everybody. I hope you are making your way out of your program Zoom links back into the program because a significant element of our program is still left. And I promise you, you will have more time with your friends, your colleagues, your faculty members after this is over. So welcome back. As we all have been talking about all evening today, that we did not have a formal graduation ceremony since digital graduation certificates have already were given and they were signed in on a date last year in 2020 and hence cannot be reissued on today's date. However, the names of the Dean's merit list holders and gold medal winners will be called out by their respective program chairs now. What a proud moment for these stellar sparks, SP arcs for their families and all of us here. So first up, I would invite Dr. Sajeev George, chairperson of the 2-year postgraduate diploma in management, to read out the DTTs.
I shall announce the names of the DTT awardees in the order of the roll numbers. Anshita Agarwal. Meghna Saluja. Rushabh Sandeep Chheda. Tushar Keherle. Akshay Sethi. Mehvesh Ibrahim. Mohit Nathani. Natasha Saha. Nihar Mehta. Nikita Khaitan. Paras Bhatia. Payal Madan. Ritu Khatar. Tilak Vaidya. Anjali Kumari. Geetika Chanana, Mayank Sushil Wadhwan, Mohil Mehta, Asudani Sandeep Bhiman, Srikanth Suresh, Yashasri Handa. I shall now announce the names of the PGDM Gold Medal winners. Rank 1, Natasha Saha. Rank 2, Tilak Vaidya. Rank 3, we have 2 winners, Ritu Khatar and Mayank Sushil Wadhwan. Congratulations and thank you.
Thank you, Sajeev. Next, I now invite Dr. Preeta George, Associate Dean and Chairperson of the 18-month Postgraduate Executive Management Program, PGEMP.
I will announce the names of the Dean's top 3 awardees for PGEMP, starting with PGEMP Batch 63. Ashish Batavia, Rudhir Deshkar, Mohit Jain, and the gold medal winner of Batch 63 is Rudhir Deshkar. I will now move on to the names of the awardees of Batch 64. Prerna Bhatt, Bhargav Jog, Vatsal Thakkar, and the gold medal goes to Prerna Bhatt. Next, we have Batch 65 awardees. Navdeep Arshi, Prashant P, Radhakrishnan S, and the gold medal winner of Batch 65 is Navdeep Arshi. The awardees of PGEMP Batch 66 are Ashwin Rao, Anvita Saraswat, Abhishek Singh, and the gold medal goes to Ashwin Rao. The awardees of batch 67 are Gaurav Arora, Dhruv Joshi, Kiran Pol, and the gold medal winner is Kiran Pol. Congratulations, everyone, all your bodies, and all the best.
Thank you, Professor George. Now, please welcome Professor Nilendra Singh Pawar, Chairperson of the 15-month Postgraduate Program in Management, PGPM. Nilendra.
I shall be announcing the Dean's Top 10 Awards for the PGPM class of 2019 in the order of their roll numbers. Anugya Srivastav, Harshvardhan Sagi, Harshit Bansal, Ishwa S.M., Raveen Pathankar, Suraj Chakrabarti, Vishwa Chaitanya Nandigam, Kumar Abhishek Das, Kushagra Srivastava, Mohammad Azhar Sabah Jalani, Udit Sharma. Next, I shall announce the medal winners for academic performance in the class of 2019. Harshvardhan Sagi for achieving the first rank. We have a tie for the second rank, Keshava S.M. and Kumar Abhishek Das. Congratulations to all the winners, and thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Nilendra. Next, I am now inviting Dr. Ashita Agarwal, Chairperson of the 11-month Postgraduate Management Program for Women, PGMPW.
I shall now announce the Dean's Top 2 Awards for PGMPW class of 2019. Rishita Agarwal. Ruchi Singhal. I shall now announce the gold medal winner for PG MPW 2019. Rishita Agarwal. Congratulations and thank you so much.
Thank you, Ashita. So congratulations to all the awardees and to all of you who have graduated from SPJIMR. We are very proud of you all and we'd like to celebrate your achievements every time we can. I hope you have been taking pictures in the selfie booths that you have in that video VC link that you're watching this from. I hope you can take lots of nice pictures today. We are missing you and the campus is missing you. So here is a quick look at the time you spent here on the campus. Nostalgia. Nostalgia is beautiful, isn't it? Takes us back and to the good old days. They always come back so quickly with pictures. So that was lovely. So many happy, so many cheerful faces. Now, I would like to invite Dr. Suranjan Das, who's Professor of QM and Design Thinking, and also the soul behind this show. He leads the Institute's biggest event year after year with aplomb, a special touch, and an attention to detail that only he can have. So now, Dr. Das, a vote of thanks. He's just unmuting himself.
Yeah. Thank you, Vinita. I hope I'm audible. So we are already at the stroke of 8, which means we are running maybe around 5 minutes late. Apologies for that. It is indeed my honor and privilege to propose a vote of thanks for this August event. And I think we are just 4 hours also away from August. Mr. Rajesh Jejurikar, thank you so much for taking your valuable time out and joining us. And wearing a full formal blazer on a Saturday evening is tough, but you did so. Thanks to your inspiring speech, and you literally joined the party with your promise to join the offline party with the graduates whenever we hit our campus tarmac and post any third wave, And I'm sure the batch will remember your promise, and then they'll pick up the rain check. Thank you once again for being with us today. To the managing committee of SPJIMR, thank you for the invaluable guidance at each step and at the regular weekly meetings. The management committee really provided us the perfect zone of comfort, 1.676 meters wide comfort. That is the width of the broad gauge railway line, so that we are not out of track. Well, nowadays people don't board trains, they fly around, but I thought it also indicates my age, I guess. From the management committee, we learned both about uncertainty and about uncertainty management at these meetings. Thank you so much. Associate Deans, you 3 were absolutely amazing. So many times you plugged the cracks in our ceilings of thoughts and our plans, especially on the execution matters. Phone calls by Vasant in the mid-afternoon, calls by Preeta late evening, and WhatsApp messages from Renuka at 5:36 a.m. in the morning ensure that I was up and alert almost 24/7. Big thanks and hugs to you 3, Vasant included. Okay. Thanks to the 4 program chair who are coxswains, or we call them coxfours or coxpairs, of the 4 graduating groups that they have been sailing through SPJIMR. Professor Preeta, Sajeev, Ashita, and Nilendra, thanks for your constant support and encouragement. And especially thanks to Mr. Priyo Ganguly Dada. I mean, in Bengali, we also say Priyo is a good prefix, for his terrestrial support in arranging emergency meetings at very quick notice when we needed extraterrestrial help. Thank you, Dada. My dear faculty colleagues, thank you so much for your continuous encouragement on phone calls and numerous WhatsApp messages, including during this event. My iPhone is not showing it. So Ranjan, how will I hold it? The message came midway and we tried to resolve it. This was around an hour ago. Many of you have been through our offline event in the past at the B29 grounds. Please, especially, please tell your new faculty colleagues at your own dollop of peril, of course, on how good the post-event dinner was. You can tell all the junior faculty colleagues, But thank you so much. Thanks to EMBA corporate partners and mentors, especially if they are here today. It will be great if we can reach out to you with the recordings and tell you what we have been doing on this evening. For the campus video and reel edits, Kaushik, Ishita, Pali from the Central Communication team deserves the kudos. Amazing they are at all times. Sheila Kapoor, ma'am, our EA to Dean, the entire batch is joining us to convey special thanks to you for the certificates that are now donning their phones and social media sites. Because hard copies will be sent to the graduates in due course. That time I'll give a vote of thanks to the couriers also. Prahlad, Vasanti ma'am and team for all the admin arrangements, gate access, and especially coffee to us in the war room has been served twice already. Sorry guys, you would have got in your own coffee, we got served. Jayashri Thampi ma'am and team, Mr. Sadanand, Ritesh, Alok, they're actually sitting around here in the war room, in the office, for hand-holding us when we passed through this Rotang tunnel, or it is also called the Atal tunnel, you know, one which joins Manali and Leh, the Rotang tunnel of digital communication. This is the tunnel of technology which we use today. And thanks especially to my faculty colleagues, Professor Jyoti and Professor Rajiv, for providing us the confidence to all this from a small laptop screen. I think Rajiv and Jyoti and Jayashri and our team, special thanks, because you guys taught us webinars and Zooms. But what we have done today is that we mashed it up together. We love to play around, you know. And this is the first time SPJMR, and it is for your batch 644U, that we have done a mashed up event of webinar and Zoom. It was risky, but we thought we will play it with this, and hopefully you liked it. Special thanks to a master of ceremony and my co-conspirator sitting on my right-hand side, Professor Vinita, for conducting these events so beautifully over 2 back-to-back Saturdays. Technology partner Vimukti from Ahmedabad for bearing our constant cravings for perfection. So they were adjusting any faint color change here or flattening a grammatical pimple over there, you know, at 2 a.m., which was resolved very quickly, and in real time, they were resolving it. Thanks, Tejas, Chintan, Danish, Ravi, and team. Finally, it's my turn to my own get-together team. Preeti Miranda, Registrar, Academic Administration at SPJMR. You know, just like the 4 P's of marketing, she is the 4 A's of administration. Always alert, avoid accident, especially in administration. So my 4A, Preeti Miranda, I can't thank you enough. Kabhi-kabhi aap daante bhi the, and it was so cute. Super thanks to you. To the graduates, last but not the least, special thanks to the graduating class and your parents and in-laws, your spouses and partners, your mentors, and even detractors. I mean, we love detractors, right? Because they are the ones who make you stronger. To your children and their grandparents, and even the domestic help sitting around you at home. They're all watching the breaking of the lovely colors of dawn on the sparkling graduate sitting at home, closest to the laptop. Because that guy really wants to see himself or herself for this big moment of his or her glory. Thanks to all of you for joining us on this wonderful evening, and by doing so, strengthening the family that never stops shouting, I am SPJMR. Thank you and good night. Over to you.
Thank you, Surendra sir. And since you've already mentioned hashtag I am SPJMR, so I'm going to remind everybody that they should peep into their selfie booth that I just mentioned earlier, click some pictures and put it out there and share the love for SPJMR. Before we end the program today, we shall now all stand up for the national anthem, please.
जनगण मन अधिनायक भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्ज्वल जलधि तरंग तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you. Thank you all for attending today's event. We wish the class of 2019 and the class of 2020 all the very best for their future and send them off to their bright careers with all our blessings. Graduating batches, kindly note, your Zoom rooms have now reopened again, and you can go back to your respective room if you wish to have some more fun and spend some more time with yourselves and with your batchmates. They will be open for another 30 minutes. So go, enjoy yourselves. Have a very good evening. Good night. Thank you. Jai Hind.